simple, we are going to take a loan. And we have become a country that is laughed at. When we go outside the country and you meet fellow African sisters and brothers, and they ask you, oh, what is your population? And you have a time to chat. And they say, what is your budget? That is the next question. And then they ask you, oh, where are you going to get the money? If a white man is seated next to you, because I've experienced that, the white man said, they'll come and beg us to help them. And I felt ashamed because Africa and even Kenya as a country, we are a rich country. We have resources. We can get our money locally. But we have a tendency of borrowing and not borrowing to help, but borrowing to put it in our pockets. If you look at the situation now, the president runs with I don't know how many cars. It will take you an hour for his motorcade to pass you. The next, the governor passes with his flag, another motorcade. And the tendency is bad for us. We are hungry. We are looking for food. The fuel has gone up, but they can manage to fuel these cars that they go around with. If you go to the white men country who happen to be richer than us, and they have nothing in their country, everything they have they get from Africa, including Kenya. They are getting copper from us. In my constituency, Nyatike constituency, Chinese, Indians are there taking copper back to their country. When you go there, the president will pass with one car and an extra car, if not a border, passing as his security. But you come to Kenya, the poor country, with overloaded debts, a governor, a president, passes with all those motorcades, and you wonder where they're going to. But I want to remind them,